Okay guys, well this is my nanny and granddad's brand new Bosch classix 1200. The tricity bendix actually broke quite a long time ago. Well, not a long time ago, broke. It just completely refused to work and be on repair. So they've got this new Bosch 1200. Too upset to see the tricity bendix go away, but just got this Bosch now, and hopefully it'll last a little bit longer and how few machines last. It's a Bosch classix 1200 Express with 1200 spin, and you can select all of it and the dial. The model number wae24164GB-30. Yeah. There's the drum. Quite nice drum. The paddles are basically the same. Same paddle. Yeah. Right. I'm going to be starting a wash now. A load of things. Towel. Pajamas. Some of my granddad's shirts. And my jumper. Right. This should be great. There. Full. There. Should be great. Detergent. I'm going to be using Tesco's. What is it? Tesco's Bio tablets and the fabric softener. Tesco's Spring Fresh. Just bear with me. There we go. Bear with me. Okay, tablets going in. Softener. There. Fabric softener. Right, today I'm going to be doing Easy Care 40. Select 1200 spin. Go. We begin.